Hello everyone. In this video, we will together perform two basic column subtraction. These will not cover the aspect of borrowing.
Let's start with the first example, 97 minus 43. First, it's important to align the two numbers of the calculation. The larger of the two numbers goes above the smaller one. The units of both numbers must align, here the 7 and the 3. The tens of both numbers must also align, here the 9 and the 4. When performing a calculation, whether it's addition, subtraction, or multiplication, it's essential to leave sufficient space between the different numbers to avoid alignment errors. Once the two numbers are aligned, we can add a horizontal line below the smaller number and a minus sign, symbolizing subtraction. Now we can proceed to the calculation. First, let's start by subtracting the units digits. 7 minus 3 equals 4. We note the 4 below the horizontal line. This area is designated for the results. Next, let's move to the subtraction of the tens digits. 9 minus 4 equals 5. We can note this result below the horizontal line, in the tens column. And there we have it, we have our first result. 97 minus 43 equals 54. Let's move on to a second example. 74 minus 32. For this second example, we follow the same steps as before. First, we align the two numbers of the calculation, placing the larger one above the smaller one. The units in tens are carefully aligned to facilitate the calculation. Once aligned, we add a horizontal line below the smaller number and the minus sign to indicate subtraction. Proceeding with the subtraction, let's start by subtracting the units digits. 4 minus 2 equals 2. This result is noted below the horizontal line, in the units column. Next, let's move to the subtraction of the tens digits. 7 minus 3 equals 4. We note this result below the horizontal line, in the tens column. Thus, the final result of our second example equals 42.
In conclusion, we have seen in this video how to perform two subtractions in columns, without borrowing. Don't forget to practice these methods to strengthen your math skills. Thank you for watching this video, subscribe to the channel, and see you soon for new lessons.